Welcome back, violinisti. So we're at the Twinkle Twinkle version 3 of the Academy. So let's do our little check as usual. So we got the key of the violin, chiave di violino. Then we have the three sharps. We have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. Do we have any F, C, and Gs? We have Fs, we have Cs. We don't have any Gs, but you have to watch out. So then for F sharp and C sharp. Okay, so F sharp on the E string, F is going to be here, and then on the D string, it's going to be here. And then in terms of the C sharp, it's going to be here on the A string, okay? Otherwise, if you put it like that, it will be C natural. It needs to be C sharp. It needs to go on the sticker. Try to use very long bows. So at the beginning, I have an F there underneath the first note. That just means forte, which I explain in other videos and other lessons. So it just means loud, okay? So I want to hear you whisper playing with 3 centimeters of bow. Try to use all the bow, okay? So it'll be nice and loud. So we've got the metronome at 45. You're more than welcome to go slower, and we're going to hear the metronome clicking 4 times in every bar. Please keep the metronome on. You know how much I want you to play with the metronome all the time, every day, all the time. Okay, so never stop using it. I'll say, okay, so I'll say we're ready to go.